How to sort data in a Word table. Have you ever had a table in your Word document that needed to be sorted? If you want to find out how you can do it, stay until the end of the video. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, we will open the Word document that we want. I'll take this one as an example. There is a table in it. However, the data is not sorted in it. How are we going to sort them? We will mark all the data we have in the table. After that, in the Home section in the top menu, we will find the Sort option. When we find it, we will click on it. A window will open in which we can specify the sorting criteria. We will select the salary field in the first field and leave the number option. Also here we can determine the order that will be applied to sorting. Choose one of the offered ones. In addition, if, for example, we have two members whose name starts with the same letter and have the same salary, we will determine another sorting criterion if it is impossible to do so. Thus, we will select the field name, leave the text in the second part, and select the sorting order in the third part. When we've done all that, we'll just click on the OK button, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.